What's wiggling, wearing noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wear Noticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these brand spanking new, truly wireless earbuds from none other than Skullcandy themselves. These are the Sesh Evo earbuds. So, yeah, I have these boys right here in this, I believe it's called True Mint Green color right here. That's looking pretty sweet. So now, folks, these earbuds, which will set you back about $60, not only are IP55 water resistant, but they also have built-in tile integration to help you find these earbuds. So folks, without further ado, let's get to getting these bad boys out of the box, baby. Ooh. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wear notice, wear notice, wear notice, wear notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like wear notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box right here. As you can see on the top, it says Skullcandy right there, and we've got their logo. It says Bluetooth, obviously, because these are Bluetooth truly wireless earbuds. It says truly wireless, perfectly simple right here. It says the name of the headphones, Sesh Evo, right here. And we've also got this beautiful picture of them right here. And yeah, true wireless earbuds, up to 24 hours total battery, IP55 water resistant, like I mentioned earlier. You can control music and calls with these headphones. And once again, you can use tile to find these earbuds, which is pretty cool. So yeah, folks, now we can come over here, see another picture of these headphones right here. It talks about all their little different features right here. So for example, right here, it talks about the specifics of the battery. So that's up to 5 hours you can use the buds on a single charge for. And then you can also get another 19 hours of battery life from that recharging case right there. So yeah, folks, anyway, without further ado, let's open up these box and let's see these headphones. So here we go. We can just pop open the box right down here, just like this, and let's slide out what is inside. So here are the headphones, just like that. And wow, that's definitely an interesting decision. The earbuds are actually not in the carrying case in the box. Usually with truly wireless earbuds, they come in the box inside the carrying case, whereas with these, they are not. This is kind of a weird decision, I will say, on the part of Skullcandy. So we can just take one earbud right here out, and now, folks, we can go and take the other earbud out. And wow, it's really wedged in there. We can put that to the side. Now we've got the little carrying case right here. We can just take the plastic off of this, and here that is. We can just put it to the side for now as well. And let's see, is there anything else in here? Yep, it looks like there is some paperwork right here. We can take a look at that in just a second. We can put this to the side, and yeah, is there anything else in here? Nope, put this to the side. And yeah, so here's that paperwork. It talks about the touch controls on these headphones. So for example, it actually talks about them all down here, about the different controls on the left earbud and the right earbud. There are quite a few of them right there. So yeah, over here, we've also got a USB-C to USB cable for charging up the carrying case right there. As you can see, it has a USB-C port. And we've also got some interchangeable ear tips as well as the user guide. And also, folks, last but not least, we have this little support paperwork right here. It says having trouble, don't return to the store, and then it talks about how you can get support with these headphones. So we can put all this stuff to the side, and let's actually take a look at the earbuds right here. So let's pop open this carrying case, and I will say it definitely has a bit of a cheap look to it, but then again, what do you expect? This was only about $60. So yeah, it's white on the inside, mint green all over the place. And same thing with the headphones, except ear tips are white rather than the inside. That wouldn't really make sense, the inside. But yeah, we've also got Skullcandy logo on each of the earbuds. So let's actually put them in my ears and see how they feel. So which ear tip is this? This is the left. As you can see, there's a tiny, tiny little L right between those two little dots right there. So this one goes in my left ear right here. We can just put that in, and wow, that's a pretty snug fit. Good job, Skullcandy. Okay, now we can put the right one in as well, and wow, they are in my ears. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of painful in this ear, so that's definitely not the best thing, But yeah, now they're in my ears, and you know what? Let's actually get them connected to my iPhone. And folks, just like that, now I have these Skullcandy Sesh Evo headphones all nice and connected to my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. To get them connected to your device, all you gotta do is you gotta put them into the carrying case and then take them out of the carrying case, and then you should see them in your Bluetooth menu, and you can connect to them just like that. Now, of course, I've been listening to a bunch of different songs of these headphones, and I will say I'm actually very impressed with the audio quality. They actually sound like really good, especially considering the price and considering that they're only truly wireless earbuds versus something like over-ear headphones. They have, for example, like really impressive bass, and yeah, I actually think the songs on these headphones sound like really good, so that's a great thing. But of course, one downside I have noticed in my first impressions of these headphones is that they're not exactly very comfortable. I probably wouldn't want to wear these for a long period of time because like they go pretty deep inside your ears. Like this one right here, it's like really deep in there, and I definitely don't like how that feels. But yeah, anyway, folks, now I'm going to carry on that Warenotice tradition of me singing along to a song every time I try out a pair of headphones in my videos. So today I'm going to be singing along to Money Make Ya Handsome by Gucci Mane. So here we go, folks. It's really getting outrageous. They're stalking on my pages. They're running on the stages and they say I'm the greatest. They used to call me ugly, but now they call me handsome. I pull up in that phantom. She took me for ransom. I said I was the greatest. Some people call me crazy. A lot of people hate me, but still they imitate me. This watch here cost an 80. Grew up an 80, baby. Grew up in ATL, but don't do no roller skating. Mama wanna love me and she ain't never met me. She said she had a dream that she was in my Bentley. Baller of the century and they could never clone me. She said you worth $1 million, but I got $1 million on me. Money make you handsome even if you're ugly. Money make her love me, she wanna love my money. All my people love me, they love me for one thing. Money keep them coming, so I'ma keep some money. And there, folks, once again, that was me singing along to Money Make You Handsome by Gucci Mane. Definitely an interesting song. And yeah, folks, anyway, now that we've done that, I've demonstrated me singing along to audio on these headphones. Let me show you how you can use the touch controls on them. So I'm not going to lie, folks, you're probably going to want to look at this here sheet that came with the headphones to get a sense of the touch controls for yourself if you do get these headphones for yourself, because although it says right here, easy controls on the sheet, I'm not sure if these are exactly easy because there are quite a bit of different types of controls with just single button on each of the headphones. I'm going to show you what I mean in just a second. So for example, to power on the headphones, it says you got to press and hold the button on here for 2 seconds. And if you press and hold the button for 4 seconds, that actually turns it off. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now it just said into my ear, power off. So I'm going to power that back on. 1, 2. And now it said power on. So yeah, another feature with pressing and holding is track back or track forward. So to skip to the previous track or the next track. And to do that, it's actually the same control as powering on, it says. It says you got to press and hold the earbud for 2 seconds. So if you do that on the left earbud, it's going to go previous track. If you do that on the right earbud, it's going to go the next track. So let's see. Okay, so right earbud, I'm going to press and hold, and okay, now it skipped to the next track. So that feature does work. Okay, now next we're going to do volume up and volume down. So to turn the volume down, now I'm playing music right here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually press twice on the left earbud. So press twice, press twice, press twice, press twice, press twice. And yep, the volume is going down. Just had to double check there by looking at my iPhone right here. And yeah, now to turn the volume up, you're going to want to press twice on the opposite earbud, the right earbud. So press twice, press twice, press twice. And you know what? I'm actually going to show you. So here it is right here. Press twice, press twice, press twice, and you see the volume's going up just like that. So now to play and pause the music, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press the button once on either earbud. So I'm going to press right here, and now thankfully the music is paused because it was getting kind of loud and it was hard to hear myself talk over it. And yeah, now if we want to play it again, I can just press one time on either earbud. So here we go. and now it's playing, and I can just press again, and boom, now it's paused. And now, folks, according to this sheet, to talk to Siri, or as it says, activate your personal assistant on your device, you're going to want to press the single button on each of the earphones 3 times. And I've actually been trying to do this, and I haven't been able to activate Siri to the point that I can talk to her. I've been able to make it make that Siri noise, you know, when Siri pops up, but I haven't actually been able to talk to her. So let's try one time right here. 1, 2, 3, and it actually just started playing music, so that's another thing. It keeps doing other controls instead of actually activating Siri. So yeah, after going through all the touch controls on these headphones, oh, there's actually one more. If you press them 4 times, you activate the EQ mode. So let's see if that even works. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I didn't hear anything. Didn't do anything as far as I'm concerned. Let's play some music and see if it sounds different. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, right there, when I pressed it 4 times, I think it said like podcast mode or something. So maybe the EQ mode works. I don't really know, but at this point, my impression of the touch controls on these headphones is that they are pretty complicated to use, with all these pressing the one button on each headphones multiple times, and if you press on a certain earbud for certain controls, might be different. The point is, I think the touch controls on these headphones are kind of stupid. I don't think they're very good. I think they're too confusing. So that's my impression of them right there. And yeah, anyway, folks, now we have covered the Skullcandy Sesh Evo truly wireless earbuds that'll once again set you back about $60 if you're interested in them for yourself. So yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of these bad boys based on my video. I definitely do read all the comments, by the way, because I love hearing from you guys. So let me know down there. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Skullcandy Sesh Evo headphones, baby. Ooh.